Hi, my name is David Bakunzi, the Director of Kisorore Adventist Development Organization. CRADO is implementing Action for Batwa Community Health Project. This project is supported by ADRA Netherlands and ADRA Uganda, and it is a 12-month project. Today we are out in field. I have a couple of the Batwa people here with leaders here. One is a female lady called Lillian, and she does not understand English, but she's going to tell us what exactly she has picked and how this project is going to help them. Lillian, uyu mushinga uri gutekereza guzabumarira iki?
Uyu mushinga twe nk'abatwa gufitiye akamaro kanini, twe nitugira Imana mukaduhereza nk'ubuyambi bwo mwaduheramo ibyo kurya, burarinda abana bacu bagire ubuzima buzima, kandi nitumara kubona ibyo kurya abana bacu baraba neza, kandi n'ikindi kiyongeyeho mugume kunadusapotinga tugire isuku nk'abatwa tubeho neza. Mazima Kirido ndi kubashima, ahandi mugumizemo kamaze no gushima na pastor wacu, ahandi mwakoze kugira imirimo myiza Kirido.
Yes, so Lillian says she's more interested in the child nutrition. It will help them because we are going to do backyard gardening, and this is one way of improving their food production. We will be growing vegetables and we will be growing other kind of food that will help them to have something to put. This gentleman does not also understand English, but I want to ask him, mutware witwande umezute?
Dikapere Richard, mwebare mazima twabakira hamwanya ba Kikobero, mwebare okutuisaho ubutumwa burungi, kugamba ngo munda kusabiro amusinga n'ikirungi mazima okubasha kutuyamba kashanurira nk'abatwa, tukaba turi inyuma turi kubonabona mwatwatiraho mwategesheza abana kwenka aha ngo turenda ngo mugume mutubereyo mutushabire ubuyambi mutubashe kutubembibo mutushabire nefuka tubashe kwiza okuzihingisha mazima turaguma tubashabire hari mukama ubwo kuba n'ikirungi okugira ngo mubashe kuyikana mu mashonda n'aho abandi batwa barihona mubashe kuyikayo ahubwo kuba tucyari inyuma nitubashaba kugira ngo mutupateho n'abana betu babashe okuza mu mashomero mambe bakaba bari pega corona yamaze atuteganishamo twenka turabashaba ngo ogundi murundi mubashe okusho kutupata mukono abana betu mubateha mu mashomero.
Yes, the gentleman is also very happy. I want to be joined by Julius, Aris, and the rest who are CRADO members who are doing a lot of work. Aris is the finance director, and Aris comes from Mabuye Meru. Elder Julius, please join us. So we are in the field. We have been doing baseline survey, and we have had a medical camp. Aris and Julius work in the finance department. They make sure that the donations are spent very well. I want to appreciate everyone, and this is the beginning. Alice, you have something to say?
I would like to thank ADRA Uganda and ADRA Netherlands for supporting Batwa. Really, we are going to work very hard, and this Batwa are going to benefit from this project. Thank you so much.
Julius, you have something to say?
Okay, I have something to say, but I'm going to say in our local language.
Fine, fine.
Reka dushimire abo twasanze aha ngaha Lillian Mutware Kapere Richard n'abandi bo twashoboye kuba turi nabo tukabakorera, ariko kubw'amasaha bamwe bakaba bagiye. Turabashimiye kandi tunashimire community ya Nteko, Gikobero, Sanuriro batwemere kugira ngo dushobore kugira icyo twashobora gusangira nabo. Twashoboye kubaha services twari tuzanye, twatanze imiti, abandi tugerageza kubakebera bona nubwo tutabonye imiti yose, ariko tubasezeraniye ko tuzagaruka. Kandi ukuntu mwatwakiriye turabashimiye, nukuri tugiye gukora uko dushoboye kose dufatanyije n'abaterankunga bacu ndetse natwe ubwacu kuby'Imana yaduhaye kugira ngo dushobore kugerageza ukuntu twashobora gusangira ibyo dufite n'urukundo rw'Imana. Ahandi mwakoze, Imana ibahereze umugisha.
He had to pass a vote of thanks. Julius is one of the CRADO members. And I repeat, we will make sure that the ABC project reaches all the Batwa communities and everyone must not be left out. Thank you very much. See you next time.